With 10,000 people retiring every day, it's likely you've started thinking about how to make your own retirement dreams a reality. Let's take a look at one couple's approach to this important milestone. Jim and Denise are planning for retirement, and they know exactly how they want to spend their time, stamping their passports as they travel the world side by side. First, they'll need to consider how to achieve their goal financially. In reviewing their current portfolio, Jim and Denise realize they're heavily invested in equities, leaving them exposed to unlimited downside risk. Like so many others planning for retirement, protection from market volatility is top of mind, and for good reason. The average bear market decline is negative 36%, which can take years to recover from. With so much to look forward to, Jim and Denise don't want to spend their retirement years making up for this kind of catastrophic loss. After consulting with their financial professional, they decide to reallocate a portion of their equity investments to an Index Summit 6 annuity. This unique solution allows them to participate in positive index performance while reducing their downside risk. You see, the Index Summit 6 protects against half of index losses at the end of each term, so Jim and Denise can spend less time worrying about risk and more time packing their bags for their next adventure. But because travel can be expensive, it's important that they have continued opportunity for growth. The Index Summit 6 provides competitive upside potential during positive index performance, allowing Jim and Denise to build their savings over time. Plus, their money grows tax-deferred, allowing for faster accumulation than in a taxable investment. Good news for their jam-packed itinerary. While many other products have fees that can reduce an investment by thousands of dollars each year, the Index Summit 6 has no upfront or recurring contract charges, although there could be costs if the contract is surrendered early. This means Jim and Denise's hard-earned savings will go to work for them without being weighed down. And when the time comes, they can turn their Index Summit 6 into a stream of guaranteed lifetime income, so they can focus on choosing their next destination without worrying about running out of money in retirement. Now, picture your dream retirement. Where do you see yourself? Talk to your financial professional about how an Index Summit 6 can help you reach your retirement goals.